I used to work so hard for corporations and everything else until I went through some mega problems after moving from corporations into starting my first company, which was a disaster, by the way. Nothing I did worked well, and it was one failure after another, and it was hard. Lost a lot of stuff, including relationships and health, until I started to discover that I had to change myself first so that my results will start changing. And what you can do today, and I wanted to ask you to do today, is what is that one small change you can start um, pretty much today? Could be about the way of thinking about money, could be about doing the list of beliefs about money and replacing them with supportive ones. What is that one thing you can start doing today to start shifting how you think about money? And one of them, whatever. So it could be anything that you would like to do. So I won't give you advice on that, but or guidance. That's your thing. That's your belief. That's your system. That's your way of thinking. And you have to experience that for yourself. But one really good thing about changing how you feel about money is this. You know, I remember growing up, so we used to go out in a restaurant, and the first side of the menu we look at, guess where? On the right hand side, right? Because that's where the prices were. That's how the conditioning was. And I made a decision, and I made a commitment to myself when I started understanding, certain things, that I will change that belief. So what I'm saying to you here is this: take your family out, take friends out or yourself, or go to a place and just enjoy it. Enjoy it. Just enjoy it. Forget about how much it costs. I mean, how much does a meal can cost? You can go to a five-star restaurant in London or New York or Paris or whatever. I mean, it's not going to cost 5 million, you know. So how much does a meal out's going to cost? How much does a stay in a nice hotel is going to cost? It can only cost so much. Make at least one decision in the next week or so, perhaps, that you don't think about how much it's going to cost. I'm not saying to you go and blow things up. It's not the case. But how much would it cost to take your family or somebody you like down to a local restaurant? How much is it going to cost to go and buy yourself something you like? You know, just do it, because by doing things like that, you're going to get money to circulate, money to go around. Remember this: money must circulate. I'm going to repeat that. Money must circulate. It only has value when it's used, because money is a tool, not a goal. Get yours circulating, right?